Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you that how you can add someone on Discord application. But before moving forward, first make sure to like the video and subscribe to our channel. And now let's begin. First, go to your Discord application and now tap on the friend icon given at the bottom bar. And now tap on the add friend icon given at the top right corner of your screen. Keep in mind that you must know the Discord tag of the person or friend you want to add on Discord. A person's Discord tag is their username or hashtag, so you must know that. So tap on the enter a username and enter the username. And after typing the username, just tap on the send friend request option. And then wait for them to accept your friend request. So everyone, this is how you add your friend on Discord. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you.